Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be hatching my monster D-vise. You get them from the breeding event where you get Bombeta. I've managed to breed another one. If you hear any sounds, my dog is right next to me. So yeah, it's probably my dog. First we need to find a place to move that guy. So I'm going to sell this guy. I'm going to, move you there. And now I am going to sell this. Now hopefully in my storage I have a legendary habitat that's already built. Yes. There. So let's place him in that legendary habitat. Okay. There it is, the iPhone. It's a pretty cool super move. So yeah, let's feed him up. I think I'm only gonna get him to like 70 or 60. No, actually I'll get him to 100. There he is, level 100. Let's look at his stats. 3,000 attack, 28,000 life, and 3,500 speed. Skills. Let's change some of our skills. Haste to all allies may give precision. So allies adds 50% stamina to all allies. That is very good. Gives immunity to burn, daze, stun, freeze to all allies. Deals low special damage to all enemies, percent chance of applying damage reduction and dazing. Let's go with that. And that is what I will be running for special skills. For relics, I'm not going to put any relics on him because I won't be using him. I'm not using him much, but yeah. Let's go into the adventure map. So you're good? Yeah, 100s. He's legendary. There. And let's go Sir Lancelot. And let's go Captain I'm single. Okay, so this is the team I'll be going with. That is Mayfreeze off. Okay, and now let's burn them. Okay, Mary's done. And we're gonna finish off that. So yeah, there we go. Let's do another node. Let's do this one with Punchy the Clown. I think all those pictures might be like the developers of the game and stuff that do all like the updates and stuff. Let's go burning. They're all frozen. Let's give immunity to freeze to ourselves. And then we're going to do that. Put stamina, and then just finish it off with wildfire slash. So there we go. And so overall, I think it's a very good monster. If I can, I will try to do a video on ROFL and Yintic, but I've bred 2 monster D-vises and then 2 Bombetas. If you want to see my breeding log, here it is. See? So yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I am trying to reach 45 subscribers by the end of summer. And bye.